Yeah. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of credit rating agencies. What are these credit rating agencies? Means these are some companies, means some corporations and some institutions. They are giving the credit rating some business organizations based upon their credit worthiness. Means these credit rating agency corporations will give a rating A or B, A plus plus, A double plus, B plus plus. These type of ratings will be given towards all the business corporations based on their credit worthiness, their repayableness, and towards their issuance. So by based on these ratings, given by the ratings given by these credit rating agencies, the shares price will be go up and down in the stock market of the respective corporate organizations. So what are the rating agencies are available in India? Means first one is CRISIL. This is the first and the biggest the agency of the India, that is CRISIL. CRISIL means Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited. It was established in the year of 1987, but the operations were started by the 1988, and it was promoted by the ICICI, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, and UTA, Unit Trust of India. And the CRISIL headquarters are located in Mumbai, and it has the branches in USA and UK and even in Poland also. This is the one of the international credit rating agency operating from India, and it was rated around 10,000 small medium enterprises, and its net income is 298 crores. This is the biggest rating agency in India. It will give the clear-cut study about the market and debtors and credit worthiness of the each and every biggest corporations. So by based upon these ratings, so many corporate organizations, they will their prices will be go and up and down in the stock market. And second one is CARE. CARE means Credit Research Institute. It was established in the 1993, and this is the second largest organization of providing credit ratings. And it was promoted by the IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, and also Unit Trust of India, and also Canara Bank. And it will provide the lowest credit rating to quality to and highest credit risk. Means it will provide from lowest rating to highest rating of all the forms of business or corporate organizations located in India, and this is called upon as the second rating agency. And third one is ICRA. ICRA means this is also Investment Credit Rating Agency. It was set up by the 1991, and it was listed in Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange by the 2007. It is the one of the independent agency which is providing the credit ratings towards Indian corporate companies, and it is provided the ratings to MFs, means mutual funds, and also hospitals, and also real estate corporations, etc. So this is providing the rating for different all the sectors of the India, and it is named it stands the third largest credit rating agency. And another credit rating agency is SMERA, Small and Medium Enterprises Rating Agency. It was set up by the 2005, promoted by the IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, and which is providing the credit rating towards all the commercial papers and debentures, commercial deposits, and even government deposits and certificates of deposits. All the even certificates also, these organizations, SMERA will give the credit rating ratings towards all the different stocks and securities of the Indian capital and primary market. So these are the credit rating agencies providing their services toward the Indian corporate organizations. By providing of these services, corporate organizations, they may have a large scale of capability to getting the debt, or maybe failure to get the debt for their operations. So this is about the credit rating agencies. Thank you.